Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Charlotte. Today I want to share my ultimate vegan bacon recipe. It is crispy, it's chewy, it's smoky, it's salty, everything that you want in a perfect bacon. With that bacon, we're going to make a delicious BLT sandwich. I'm also going to be showing you how to make an easy homemade vegan Kewpie mayonnaise that goes perfect with this sandwich. I pretty much grew up eating Kewpie Mayo, so this is a very special recipe. I hope you all enjoy. I can't wait, so let's get into it. We're starting by preheating our oven to 190 degrees Celsius. We're going to prepare the marinade for our bacon. We're going to put half a cup of hot water in a large container, 2 teaspoons of Bovril, which is the same thing as Marmite. Whisk to dissolve completely. Add in 4 teaspoons of soy sauce. Half a teaspoon of liquid hickory smoke. 1 tablespoon of Nutritional yeast. 1/4 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Whisk the mixture for about 20 seconds till everything is dissolved. Add in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Whisk for about 20 seconds so that the oil is mixed in well. Slice up some extra firm tofu into 1/4 inch slices. The thickness depends on whether you want a more chewy bacon or a more crispy bacon, so this is all up to your liking. Dip each tofu slice into the bacon marinade and place it on a lined bacon tray. Place them in a single layer and leave a little bit of space in between so they can get nice and crispy. Once you've placed all your tofu slices in your baking tray, pour over the remaining bacon marinade over the tofu. The liquid is going to evaporate and the tofu is going to soak up all the flavors. I'm tilting the tray around so that all the tofu slices is covered in the bacon marinade. Place your tofu slices in the oven for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, remove them from the oven and flip them all to the other side. Place them back in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes until crispy. Vegan tofu bacon is all done. Let it cool on the tray for about 15 minutes before serving. Here I have 2 pieces of the bacon. It's still a little bit warm, but I just can't wait to try it. So good. That crunch, that saltiness, and that smokiness is so delicious. Have I snacked on a whole block of tofu that was made into vegan bacon? Yes, I have. Not gonna lie, it's my guilty pleasure. I love vegan bacon. We're going to make our vegan Kewpie Mayo. In a large bowl, pour in 1/4 cup of unsweetened soy milk, half a teaspoon of mushroom powder, half a teaspoon of bamboo salt or black salt. This is going to add a nice sulfury, eggy taste. 2 teaspoons of Japanese rice vinegar, 3/4 teaspoons of sugar, 1 1/4 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. Whisk all together to dissolve. Add in 1/4 cup of vegetable oil at a time. Whisk vigorously until it's all emulsified. Then add in another 1/4 cup of oil. Repeat this process until you've incorporated all the vegetable oil. The mayonnaise can be kept in an airtight container in a fridge for up to 1 week. Slice up some of your favorite bread to make your sandwich. For me, I prefer using bread that has a really nice crispy crust on the outside, so any kind of European bread or sourdough. Toasting my bread in a pan with no oil, I'm just placing the bread on the pan and toasting them for about 4 minutes on each side on low heat. Once they're nice and crispy on both sides, you can remove them from the pan. Slice up some good quality tomatoes. Here I'm using fine ripened tomato. You can also use heirloom or Roman tomatoes would work too. Spread on a good generous amount of mayo on your toast. I'm placing a couple leaves of romaine lettuce. So this is the finished BLT sandwich. I hope you enjoyed watching, and let's get into the taste test. So here's the gorgeous BLT sandwich. I can't wait to try it. This is a thick sandwich. This is so delicious. The bacon is just full of flavor and it has a really nice, chewy, meaty texture. The Kewpie Mayo is like an extra punch of flavor, and you can never go wrong with more flavor, right? Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Let me know down in the comments what other sandwich recipes you'd like to see. Subscribe for more plant-based recipes and like if you enjoyed watching this video. I'll see you next Wednesday for another video. Bye.